Dun dun. Chapter 5. Oh my god. I need to run. No. Don't look to me. I won't kill you. He'll catch you soon. He can't. Don't. Come back. Come back to me. I won't kill you. Back, no. Oh my god, there's stupid legs. Whoa. Come on, let's go. Where is he? I think he's gone. Oh, my leg loose. I am here. Kill you. Just cry. Do I have to kill you? Because you suck. I just don't like, okay? Doesn't matter who try to destroy you. Poppy, player, come here. We are here. There we go. Hold it again. What is that? Swap. And then he swapped it. Right. Twist. Slave forward, whatever's that gun called. Okay. Oh my. Looks. What is this gun? Oh my legs. You won. Come back to me now. I'm trying to kill you. Oh no. One day. No, I can't die. No. Done. Let's do it. Guys. Then Missy. what you gotta do is have to run. And yeah, they have no choice of winning this player. Okay. Who cares? I don't like some. Into the who cares? Oh my god! No missing. Oh my. This is just my fake. That was already my fake. The Bible, it was just fake. No, it took him. We need to go now. Save him with the elevator or something. We have one. Wait, actually. Okay, here it is. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Let's save Kissy Fishy. What? Let's go. Let's see. And that was going by. If you wanna watch me do a part 5, yeah. This when the train comes, it looks bad. But yeah. And then they fall. Okay, I will do chapter 5. And ask me to bring Giblet out. I'll see if there's no Giblet, then no mods you cannot. I think I never see Giblet in any mods on videos. So you know what? I will probably do next when the Giblet is in the shop store. I will buy it and make a video about it. Okay? And I hope you subscribe to this channel. I really want to hit 800 subscribers. That's my key. Bye.